What's up, gentlemen? All right, so I want you to think about the most charming person that you know. It could be your dad, a friend, a coworker, a weird uncle. It's not Barry. Who is the most charming person you know? I'll give you a second. Think about it. While you're thinking, why don't you drop one of these for the most charming YouTuber you know? If you're charming, it's like a superpower. You get more out of life, you're more likable, you're more engaging, people love you. And so today, guys, in an attempt to help keep you as charming as possible, I'm going over 6 things that charming guys never do. Number 1, charming people are never rude to waiters or waitresses. Customer service reps, cashiers, baristas. I don't care, you're gonna fix it or else I'm going to your boss, I'm gonna have you fired! I'm embarrassed to admit that that is how I've acted on more phone calls than I care to count. What I've come to realize, thanks to my father, is you get more bees with honey, as they say. I was out to dinner with him this past weekend, and I was amazed. As soon as we sat down, the waiter came over. It was super busy. It was loud. He starts talking, engaging, asking him personal questions, and what happened, it developed an immediate relationship with our server. And guess who got the best service all night? We did, not to mention free cake, which is awesome. Number 2, charming people never forget somebody's name. Oh shit. Exactly. I am terrible with names. I should say I used to be terrible with names, but then I realized if I can learn how to remember people's names, I automatically am going to be liked more. The 2 tricks that I use, one is association. Hi, Bill. Nice to meet you. Immediately I start thinking, Bill. Who is another Bill that I can remember? All right, maybe it's a friend, maybe it's a classmate, maybe it's a teacher, maybe it's a celebrity. Bill Clinton. All right, and then I visualize Bill Clinton, and I keep visualizing him, Bill Clinton, and I'm saying it, Bill Clinton. The next time you see them, you think Bill Clinton, Bill. I've done this so many times, it's ridiculous, but it works. Something else that you can do that I've done that definitely works is think about something that rhymes. So there's this woman that I've met that lives around my town. Her name is Brenda. Brenda has a big dog. I call her Big Dog Brenda. Sort of like a word game, association, but this also definitely helps you remember people's names, which is charming. Number 3. Charming people never avoid eye contact. It's a birthmark. If you are charming, you are definitely looking people in the eye, but you're not like staring and looking all creepy weird, right? There's definitely nuance to making eye contact, and body language. You can't be closed up, right? You shouldn't be fidgeting. You need to be facing the person, and you need to actively listen. Yeah, it's really great to meet you too. I've heard a lot about you, and yeah, it's great to meet you. Not charming. Number 4. Charming people never give a fake smile, right? I'm smiling, but am I really smiling? The answer is no. How do you know? It's the eyes. Eyes, gentlemen, it's all about the eyes. When somebody is really engaged or laughing or happy or smiling, it's not just this, right? They're moving all of the muscles of their face. And so everything gets all crazy and distorted and wrinkly up here. See if you can tell a difference. Can you see the difference? The difference is subtle, but it makes a major difference. Something that made a major difference on my smile in terms of the whiteness is Ollie, today's video sponsor and the best teeth whitening system on the market. Your smile is the most important nonverbal communicating tool that you have. It's the thing that makes you charming, it makes you likable, it makes you approachable. Somebody who doesn't love his smile or it's dingy or discolored, gentlemen, you have got to hit that link down below and go check out Ollie. Ollie is a teeth whitening system designed to not only transform your smile from average to amazing, it's designed to keep your smile looking incredible as long as you use Ollie. The way that it works, month number 1, you're going to get this, which is called the Transformation Kit. Inside, you're going to get 12 treatments, which comes with an upper and a lower teeth whitening strip, right? All you do, boom, strips. One for the upper, one for the lower. Ready? Check it out, right? Boom. Then one for the bottom, right there. Right there. And then you rock them for 30 minutes. You can Ollie on the go. You can Ollie just sitting and chilling. Me, I Ollie when I'm driving. My smile's getting sexier as we speak. Gentlemen, month number 1, like I said, you're going to get this. The Transformation Kit. Use all 12 treatments in the first 30 days. Starting in month number 2, you are going to maintain with the Ollie Maintenance Pack. In each pack, you are going to get 4 teeth whitening treatments. It's a week. You pop them in for 30 minutes to maintain your incredibly white smile. Getting and maintaining a white smile that you love, that you're proud of, that you're not afraid to show off, gentlemen, has never been easier. It's also never been more affordable. That's the other thing about Ollie. Super freaking crazy nuts affordable. Guys, there's a link down below, but there's also a discount code to get started with Ollie for an even better, even more ridiculous price. You've got 3 different options to choose from. You can go with the month-to-month, you can buy annual, or you can just buy a transformation kit. It's the biggest no-brainer in the history of your soon-to-be dazzling white smile. Gentlemen, hit that link down below and get a smile that you are proud of, that you love, that is charming today. Number 5, charming guys aren't afraid to show appreciation, gratitude, or thanks. Charming people give compliments. They give lots of compliments, but people that aren't charming, they take all the credit. They're like, I'm not gonna give a compliment. I'm not gonna say he looks good. I'm not gonna say he smells good. I don't want people to think I'm gay, says no charming guy ever. Gentlemen, if you're charming, you are able to give a compliment. Not only are you able to, you give them out all the time, and this automatically makes you more charming than like everybody else, because everybody likes getting compliments. And when somebody gives me a compliment, somebody gives you a compliment, you automatically like them, you think about them more fondly, you want to be their buddy. And last but certainly not least, the 6th thing that charming people never do is act like they don't have emotions. Showing emotion or vulnerability is something that's like crazy charming. Now, I'm not talking about like all the time. You don't always like need to be crying and stuff like that, but just identifying the fact that you do have emotions, and it's okay. It's all right to show love. It's okay to show sadness. It's okay not to be okay. Being charming doesn't mean you don't have problems. It doesn't mean you don't have bad days or have struggles. Being charming means that you're comfortable in your own skin and you strive to be as likable, as friendly, as personable as possible. And I truly believe that each and every one of you has the tools and the skill set needed in order to be incredibly, crazy, freaking charming.